Today you will learn how quickly you set up your own self-hosted n8n automation server using Docker Desktop, which will save you money, boosting your privacy, and give you complete control of your workflow. If you're new to this channel, my name is Aftab. I'm an automation business partner who helps businesses streamline their process with no-code tools. I have personally helped dozens of businesses set up efficient automation systems that are reliable and secure. Before we dive in, let's quickly talk about why you might want to self-host n8n instead of using a cloud version. By self-hosting n8n, it gives you more control. You will have more access to custom integration, access to all features, access to unlimited execution, and store your data wherever you want. No limits. The cloud version have execution limits. Self-hosting means unlimited workflow automations. Data privacy, that's one of the big one. Every time I have a discussion with one of my clients, and there's one of the concerns they always raise is data privacy, where the data is stored. By self-hosting n8n, you have complete control of where the data is going to store. And finally, the important one is the cost effective. Now, if you're hosting on n8n cloud, they have a starter plan which starts from around €20 per month, then goes up to Pro, which is a €50 per month. But the starter plans only gives you 5 active workflow, where Pro it gives you a little bit more. However, if you self-host n8n, which I'm going to show you in a minute, and it's very quick, you don't have to type any code, it doesn't cost you anything, so you can host it on your computer.
First, head to the docker.com for downloading the latest version of the Docker Desktop by clicking download and download for Windows from it. If you're using a Mac or if you're using Linux, you have to choose a different option. For me, it's Windows, so I click the Windows. It'll take a few minutes to download. It's showing me for a minute. We'll come back to it when the download is complete. Once you download the Docker Desktop and install on your PC, and this is what you'll be able to see. You have container on the left, then image, volume, build, Docker Hub, Docker Scout, and extension. We'll primarily start with the search. So what you need to type it in here is n8n.hire, and then that'll give you all the Docker images available for you to download. So we need to make sure that we download the latest version of it, and you can see from here this has been downloaded over 100 million times. So we'll be pulling these from the repository. Once you pull the latest version of n8n from Docker, that's where it will come up. So you will head down to the image, and you'll see it will appear in here. Then you'll have to run the image and fill some information. Container name, for this will put n8n terminal. Host port, so depends on which port it will be used. So for our case, we use 5678. Host paths. What it wills is that what do you want your files to be saved on your local PC? We click this tree, we select the path. This is one of the important part. So we need to get this right. So we need to /log/n8n. What it does is basically it connects your local storage with the container path. Environment variable we can leave as it is, and then we click run. As you can see, it's loading up. It takes a few seconds. It's initiating the n8n process. So now you can see it's loaded, and now we can access our n8n instances through localhost 5678. Once you click that, it will go to the browser. We need to sign in. But for you, if you do it for the first time, it will prompt you to set up an account, and then this account is not linked to the n8n cloud account, but you still have to put an email address, your name, and set up a password. Because I have done this previously, he didn't give me that option. So once you log, it will take you to your n8n instances. There you have it. That's how you self-host n8n using the Docker Desktop. If you like this video, you might like some of my other videos related to n8n and where I built workflows, automations, agents,